It's really conformable, so when you're doing the assembly of a system, you don't have to worry that any of the components in your system are going to get smushed once you do the assembly. So the gel moves, the product's little parts don't.
Gel 20 is one of our newer generation of thermal interface materials, specifically within our gel line, which is our fully cured one component dispensable thermal interface materials that are meant to provide a low compression force and a high rate of thermal transfer between a heat generating component and a heat sink or an enclosure. Gel 20 is a product that we've actually had around for quite a while and are actually globally launching it because it's really had a very niche application within one region of the world, but realized that it fills in our thermal interface material portfolio pretty well. So while it doesn't have the highest thermal conductivity, which is really the defining factor of many of our thermal interface materials, it fills in this need of a very cost-effective, lower thermal conductivity material than typically where much of the baseline or many of our customers are looking for. That being said, there are a lot of applications, whether it's in the consumer electronics space, whether it's in the telecommunications or automotive, or even the general industrial space, where high thermal conductivity isn't necessarily needed, but there is some solution that is required. That's really where Gel 20 has its place, has its niche within the market. Because it has that lower thermal conductivity, it doesn't necessarily need to use a lot of the higher cost fillers, higher cost raw materials. So it's able to be a cost-effective solution that can be used across, like I said, a number of industries.
Gel 20 was a product that was envisioned for our automotive market space. As the number might make you believe, this is supposedly a 2 watt per meter K system. It's actually better than that. It's a 2.4 watt per meter K thermally conductive gel. Its specialty is that it's been put through additional testing and reliability for the automotive market space, which requires a lot more detail and tests to support its use. It is got a good flow rate, which means we can dispense it at a pretty good speed, so it remains cost effective for the customer. But the other unique thing is that you can get the Gel 20 to stand up pretty thick. You can put down a gap of about 4 millimeters or so, around 160 thousandths of an inch. And that material is not going to slump or move significantly. It's been tested in vertical applications between two surfaces to make sure that the typical automotive shock and vibe requirements that they have to meet are such that the material is not going to move or be displaced.